Welcome to GemTrue's professional jewelry world. Today, we bring you our luxury diamond toolkit. This toolkit contains a series of essential tools, from refractometer to diamond tweezers. Each tool is carefully designed to provide accurate guarantee for your jewelry making and identification. Refractometer accurately measure the refractive index of gems, providing an important basis for you to judge the type of gems. The Polariscope with a built-in light source allows you to observe the optical characteristics of gems more clearly and accurately judge the authenticity of gems. Prism Dichroscope helps you identify the pleochroism of gems and adds a guarantee to the identification of gems. Grating Spectroscope analyzes the spectral characteristics of gems. Chelsea Filter quickly screen gems and save time for your identification work. Diamond Tester accurately identify the authenticity of diamonds and let you buy these diamonds with confidence. The 20.5mm triplet 10x diamond loop allows you to clearly see the internal structure and flaws of diamonds and provides an important basis for the evaluation of diamonds. Diamond tweezers with fine design allow you to easily pick up diamonds and avoid damage to diamonds. The matching pen is convenient for you to record detection results, and the gem box provides a safe storage space for your tools. Choose GemTrue's Professional Jewelers Toolkit DK908 and release your professional potential.